We will be going over the assembly of a freedomRail double hang OBox and double hang big OBox with drawers. Start by opening the carton and remove all of the product. Set the OBox side panels and the top and bottom shelves to one side and the drawer box parts to the other. Sort all of the drawer pieces by the size of drawer that is being built and unpack the hardware. Unlock all of the cams by turning the arrow so it aligns with the hole. Place the hanging brackets over the holes in the side panels so that all 5 holes are visible. Use the Euro screws and a number 2 driver to mount the brackets to the panels. Install the connecting bolt to the top and bottom shelves. Using a number 2 driver, drive them all in until the cuff on the connecting bolt bottoms out on the shelf. Lay one of the shelves with the bolts facing up. Place the side panels onto the connecting bolts, making sure the edge banding lines up and the cams are facing into the cabinet. Lock the cams by turning clockwise until it cannot turn further. Place the top shelf onto the side panels and lock the cams. Separate the drawer glide from the cabinet glide by lifting the back release lever on the inside of the drawer glide. Install the cabinet glides onto the panels. Positioning of the glides is based on the type of OBox that you are building. For a 2-drawer double hang OBox, use the first and third set of holes from the top, and for a 1-drawer OBox, use the third set of holes from the top. To assemble the drawer box, begin by placing a left drawer side on the table with the groove side up and insert the drawer box back. Slide the drawer bottom into the groove and position the right side over both. Attach the right side to the back with the included wood screw. Holding both sides, flip the drawer over and mount the other side to the back with the wood screw. Insert the 2 connecting bolts into the front and unlock the cams by turning the arrows so it aligns with the hole. Set the drawer on its back and attach the drawer front with the cams. Attach the handle to the drawer front with a number 2 screwdriver. Mount each drawer glide to the drawer box with 2 screws. Once the glides are installed, align the glides and push the drawer into the OBox. Please note that it is easier to secure the OBox to the uprights when the drawers are removed.